guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little hair tutorial. I had a couple of DMs during the week when I had my hair in the Molly Mae bun, or the Molly Mae bun, is that how you do it? I don't even know. So yeah, the Molly Mae bun. It's a super quick look, like it takes 2 minutes, nothing complicated for me to do it anyway. So this is just the way I do it. I'm not sure exactly how Molly does hers, but it was inspired by her bun that she rocked when she was on Love Island, and I'm sure she still wears it now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start by obviously taking my hairband out and taking my hair down, so I kind of have it in like a half up, half down, and then I curled my hair this morning as well. So that's what my hair is like now. So I'm just gonna take it down and then I'll start the tutorial for you guys. Okay guys, so I've just taken my hair down out of my half up, half down style, and I'm just going to grab my hairbrush now and brush through my hair. So I'm using this amazing brush. So this is from Wet Brush and it is their Disney Princess collection. How amazing. I had this sent out to me by hairbrush.ie. It's a new online website for buying all your hair products and hairbrushes, including this full Disney range. So you can see here the brand Wet Brush, and I have the Cinderella one. They are bringing out a Frozen 2 range as well, so I'm so excited for that to come out. Hopefully I will be able to get my hands on the Frozen 2 collection when it launches as well. So I'm just going to brush through my hair. So I'm just going to show you step by step basically exactly what I do to achieve this look. Like I said, it is super simple, and I just did it one of the days I was going to work because my hair was kind of silky, it wasn't curled. So I don't think I've done it with curls in my hair before, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, it's always nice to have a tutorial, I think, on something if you're not exactly sure how to do it or how to achieve the look. So we will just get into that. So I'll show you the hair bands that I'm going to be using. So I'm just using this kind of thick one, and then when I put the bun in and to wrap it around, I'm just using these two thinner ones. So that's what I'm going to be using. So we just start off by doing like a high pony. So I'm just going to scoop all my hair back so it's really smooth, because she wears hers super tight. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I am wearing like a shirt dress, so there's a belt on it, so it's a bit hard for me to maneuver my arms. But sure, look, it'll be grand, we'll get there. And then you just want to make sure once you have it all scooped up that you brush back all the little lumps and bumps that you get, which I know is so hard. Like, I get so frustrated sometimes doing my hair, just trying to get the lumps and bumps out of it and get it smooth, because my hair is super thick, so it can take a little while. And then once you have that in, you want to grab the thicker pony and just put that into your hair. And I kind of do quite a high pony for this, because you want the bun to be at the top of your head. And oh no, I just broke the bobbin. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna have to go get another bobbin. Great. Okay, so I'm back and we have a new bigger bobbin, so let's go with this again. Take two. Yeah, so that happens a lot as well when you have thick hair. My hair is so thick that pretty much like once a week I'll break my bobbins, because there's so much hair to try and put up in a ponytail. Oh, you're joking. Okay, maybe I'll only wrap it around twice next time. Like, this never happens. This is insane. Take 3. So if it breaks this time, I'm abandoning the tutorial, because this Molly Mae bun tutorial is not meant to happen. Let's go again. I'm scared. If I go for the third one, I will break. So we'll just go with 2. Usually I do get 3 out of them, so that was why I was doing it. And then just tighten it, but I'm still trying not to break it. And then I think when I pull it tight as well, sometimes I get bumps. So if there are bumps, just excuse me, but I'm after trying it 3 times, so we just want to get it right this time. And then what I'll do is I'll just grab my pony and brush through the hair, just to make sure it's smooth when you wrap it around. Okay, let's try and get the bun going. So this isn't tight enough, most definitely not, because I can feel how loose it is at the top, but I'm afraid to wrap it around again. So I just get my hair and I kind of make sure it's all nice and smooth, and then I'll just start to wrap it around. And again, just making sure you're trying to keep it nice and smooth. What you see there, it's not really smooth, so I'm going to try and brush that piece out. So it can take a couple of goes to get it right. It's not as effortless as Molly Mae makes it look like when she does it on Love Island. Definitely not for me anyway. Okay. So we're wrapping. And we're wrapping. And it's gone fuzzy again. So let's try and get the bun in again. Okay, so I'm gonna start this way. So I just kind of wrap my hair around. Try and keep this part down, because if that separates, it kind of goes a bit frizzy. A little bit. And just kind of pull it around like this. And then just tuck in your little piece of hair, and then I just get the two thinner bobbins and I put them around the bun. And that is my Molly Mae bun, or my version of the Molly Mae bun anyways, or as best as I can do it. Now my hair is a bit lumpy, but I'm after trying to do it 3 different times and the bobbin kept breaking, so this is the best that we were able to achieve with the shoddy bobbins. They're obviously not strong enough for my hair, but I did use those bobbins during the week and they didn't break once, so it must be just the jinx of recording it for a YouTube tutorial that made them break. So this is fine. We got them done in the end, so, but yeah, excuse the little bumps and stuff like that. It would be a lot smoother if I was able to put the pony in tighter. I just can't, because they keep breaking and I don't want to keep breaking on my ponytail, my ties for putting up my ponytail. But yeah, this is the Molly Mae bun. Super simple, like 2-minute video. I do have a lot of hair. I don't have extensions at all in my hair. I basically don't get anything done to my hair at all, so my hair is super thick. So if you wanted to have a really full bun, you could probably put extensions in your own hair and then do the wrap up bun, or you can buy those buns that you can just like stick on. But yeah, I have crazy thick, long, loads of hair. Like anyone will tell you, I'm always complaining about my hair getting matted and stuck together because there's so much of it. So this is why the bun looks so full. But yeah, this is my Molly Mae tutorial. So that's my tutorial, guys, over. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll have loads more videos coming up. I have loads of ideas for stuff, and people are always sending requests as well of things to film and to feature here on my channel. And hopefully you liked the quick little hair tutorial. If you want different tutorials on like curling my hair and stuff like that, let me know down in the comments and I'll get to it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.